Hey guys, welcome to the first topic, slope. First of all, the formulas for slope are all written over here for you. Rise over run is probably the most popular, but that basically boils down to y over x. And you're looking for how much the y values and x values are changing. If you are given numbers, you can always calculate that by subtracting the y values on top and subtracting the x values on the bottom. Two parallel lines are going to have the same slope, kind of like this. And perpendicular lines are going to be at a right angle like this. If they are parallel, they have the same slope. And if they are perpendicular, they have opposite reciprocal slope. Okay, so first we're going to practice counting slope, and then I'm going to let you guys practice down below. So if I have a line, I can pick any 2 points like this one and count the slope in between them by figuring out how much I rise and how much I run. Now, when I run, I'm always going to the right, so always start at a point on the left side and go to the point that's next to it on the right side. So it looks like my graph is going down 2 squares over here, and then it's going over 1, 2, 3. So my slope is -2 over 3. Just remember to count the rise up and down, then the run. And my slope is negative because if you remember Slope Dude, he only can walk or ski from left to right. So if he starts over here on the left, he's going to be going down this hill. So that's why it's negative. Next problem doesn't have a graph, it has a table. You're still going to be doing the same idea though. Just make sure you put y on top and x on bottom. So y over x. And the y values are changing from 12 to 7. Let's see, if you start at 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. That's 5 numbers. But I could also go from 7 to 2, and that's also 5. Or 2 to -3 is also 5. And since they're going down, that's technically going to be -5 over the x part, which is going from -2 to 2. -1, 0, 1, 2. That's 4 numbers. Also, -2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So my slope is -5 over 4. And then the third one gives us 2 points. What we have to do is this third one, where we subtract the y values on top and we subtract the x values on the bottom. So on the top, the 2 y values would be 3 and -1. So 3 minus -1. And on bottom, our x's are 9 and 3. So 9 minus 3. Now be careful on the top because when you subtract a negative, that adds 3 plus 1, which makes 4. And on the bottom, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now, we do want to have a simplified fraction, and since these numbers are both even, I can divide them by 2, and my actual slope should be 2/3, because 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's try one more, the bottom one. Subtract your y values on top, so 5 minus 5, and your x values on bottom, so 3 minus 9. And I always do the second one minus the first one. The second one minus the first one. Now, 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 3 is -6. It doesn't actually matter, though, because 0 on top, 0 divided by anything is just 0. If it was -6 over 0, that would be what we call undefined.